Zobo Smoothie is a refreshing and nutritious drink that combines the tangy flavor of hibiscus with the creamy texture of a smoothie. It's perfect for a healthy treat anytime. To make a Zobo smoothie, you'll need dried hibiscus flowers, also known as Zobo leaves, ripe bananas, Greek yogurt, honey, and ice cubes. Optionally, you can add fresh ginger for an extra zing and mint leaves for garnish. These ingredients blend together to create a delightful and nourishing beverage. Begin by boiling the dried hibiscus flowers in water until the water turns a deep red. Strain the liquid and let it cool. In a blender, combine the hibiscus liquid, bananas, Greek yogurt, honey, and ice cubes. Blend until smooth and creamy. If desired, add a small piece of fresh ginger for a spicy kick. Pour into glasses and garnish with mint leaves. Drinking Zobo smoothie offers numerous health benefits. Hibiscus is rich in antioxidants, which help combat free radicals in the body. The smoothie is also a great source of vitamins and minerals, aiding digestion and boosting the immune system. To preserve your Zobo smoothie, store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. For the best flavor, serve chilled in tall glasses. Add a slice of lime or a sprig of mint for an elegant touch. Enjoy this vibrant and healthy drink.